Have you ever looked at an X-ray and thought, damn, I can't read this at all? Thankfully, doctors can. As we covered 2 years ago, hospitals worldwide have started bringing in AI tools to lend a hand, from spotting fractures in X-rays to flagging suspicious polyps in colonoscopies. AI is pretty useful, and good news! It generally improves detection. A new study in The Lancet, though, tracked 4 endoscopy centers that rolled out AI to help spot polyps. These are important because they can develop into cancer if they're not found. Before AI, the detection rate was 28.4%. After AI was rolled out, but when doctors worked without AI, detection fell to 22.4%. With AI on, detection was back up to 25.3%.
Wait,
didn't you say good news?
that's like 6% lower. What happened?
Well, the researchers compared 2 3-month periods, one before AI and one 6 months after. It wasn't randomized, so some of the decline could be due to other factors and could explain why it went down from 28 to 25%. But the trend was consistent across all 4 hospitals. So what's going on? The simplest explanation the study finds is de-skilling. Once doctors grow accustomed to an AI safety net, their vigilance or attention to every detail fades. This is the first published study to show that in real-world hospital practice. Up until now, most trials suggested AI raised detection rates, or at least did no harm, often by having AI act as a second reader or a second check after the doctor gave their judgments. But this result suggests that even knowing AI is available at all can change doctors' behaviors. Doctors may end up scanning more quickly and unconsciously waiting for the red box to guide their judgments. But is that really a problem? Won't doctors always have AI anyways? The issue is that AI still makes mistakes now, sometimes obvious ones. And unlike a doctor, AI can't be held accountable. That means doctors still need strong skills to catch what the machines miss. Fine, but won't AI just get better in the future? In the future, sure, AI might reach a point where its reliability makes this whole test them without it idea irrelevant. It would be kind of like telling kids that you won't always have a calculator in your pockets when they now have phones in their pockets. As we've seen with another MIT study, students using ChatGPT to write an essay have lower brain activity than students who didn't use ChatGPT. This impact of using an AI tool on your brain is important, though it's not always a bad thing. Yeah, because it could free up some energy for higher value work like patient care. Exactly. There's still a reason we teach mental maths. These baseline skills matter. Delegating them, even if AI gets to a point where it's as good as doctors, gets into iffy territory when lives are on the line. So this study is important. It's only one study, limited to one country, but it highlights a real risk hospitals and policymakers will need to plan for. AI changes how people behave. And if I can change your behavior to watch more Tech Asia, does that make me an AI? No. I guess until next time, you'll have to take care.